like and subscribe button, and for further notification just press the bell button. So I hope so you're going to enjoy today's class. Let's start. So the children, today we are going to learn small friend less order, and we are going to recall the friends once again, but today I come with the story over here. Already we have learned the friends in the add order. So today in small friends less order, we are going to learn it through a story. You see, as the vacations are going on, all the friends, 5 friends are playing so merrily and they were happy. But do you know, children, when they were playing, they have gone out of the village and they were so merry and they were playing. But all of a sudden strike of the tiger appeared in front of them. Seeing this, all the friends were scared. They were hiding behind the tree. But as it was getting dark, they were worried because they wanted to go back to the house. Collecting lot of courage, one of the friends came forward to drive the tiger back to the forest. Now children, if one friend is in front of the tiger, how many friends are hiding behind the tree? You can see 4. One's friend is 4. Now seeing this, the second friend also joined with his friend to drive the tiger back. And now you can see 2's friend is 3. Now seeing this, the third friend also came forward to drive the tiger back. And 2, now you can see if 3 friends are together fighting currently with the tiger, how many friends are behind the tree? 2. So 3's friend is 2. Now the 4th friend also joined with them. Now can you see? 4's friend is 1. Now let me once again recall. 1's friend is 4. Same way 2's friend is 3. Now 3's friend is how many children? 2. And now 4's friend is 1. And all together they 5 are coming together to form a small boss, which is 5. It's small friends less order. Let's see the format once again, children. If the question is in the small friend less 1, in that case, who is 1's friend? 4. So add your friend 4 less your boss 5. Now if the question is less 2, in that case 2's friend is 3. So add your friend 3 less your small boss 5. Now 3's friend is 2. So in that case, if it is less 3, it is add your friend 2 and less your boss 5. Now 4's friend is 1. If the question comes like less 4, in that case what we will do? We will be adding 1. That is add your friend 1 and less your boss, that is 5. This was for the 1's rod. Children, the concept remains same in the 10th rod. Only the rod got changed now. The question is less 10. In that case, 10's friend is 40. So add your friend 40 and less your small boss 50. In 10th rod, our small boss is 50 now. So in that same case, if it is less 20, it is 20's friend is 30. So add your friend 30 and less your small boss 50. Now same thing children here, if it is less 30, the friend is 20. So it is add your friend 20 less your boss 50. And the last concept children, if it is less 40, in that case what we will do? 40's friend is 10. So add your friend 10 and less your small boss 50. This concept is clear. We have done in the story also. Now let's start with few of the examples so the concept becomes more clear. See, again we are holding with the same finger and now we are going to use it. Now see children, the first question is 55. So 55. The next is less 1. Can we do less 1 children? No. Now in that case we are going to do small friend less order. So 1's friend is 4. So less your boss 5. Add your friend 4. Now children, it is 2. Can we add 2? No. In this case what we are going to do? We are going to follow the add friend order. So add your boss 5 less your friend 3. And now 3 is directly children. So we can add 3. What is the answer children now? 5, 9, 59. So we are going to write 5, 9, 59. Now let's go with the second sum, children. 2, 3, 23. 5 we can add directly, and less 3. Even less 3 can be done directly. Now children, the question is less 2. Can you do less 2? No. So in that case we have to call our small boss. So less your boss 5 and add your friend 3. So our question answer is what? Is 2, 3, 23. Now let's go with the next one. Children, it is 6, 4, 64. We have used with the correct finger. Now 1. One's friend is 4, but we cannot add, so we are going to call add your boss 5 and less your friend 4. Now children, what about less 3? So less your boss 5, add your friend, 3's friend is 2. And again 5 is directly. Can you read the answer? It's 6, 7, 67. So our answer is 6, 7, 67. Now the fourth one, children. 2, 6, 26 we have put. 1 also is directly. Now children, the question is less 4. Can we do less 4? No. So for that we have to follow small friends less order. So 4's friend is 1. Less your boss 5. Add your friend 1. Now about 2. Can we add 2? No. That means it is small friend add order. 2's friend is 3. If it is add order, we are going to call add your boss 5 and less your friend 3. 2, 5, 25. Now children, for the add order, you have to go to the previous video which we have taught for you. Now just see 1, 8, 18. Can we add 18 directly? Yes. Now less 6 is directly, that is we are going to separate it. Now 3. Can you add 3 here? No. In that case, add your boss 5 and less your friend 2. Now what is this? Less 1. One's friend is 4 and it is less. So what we are going to do? Less your boss 5 and who is one's friend? 4. So it is how much, children, now? 1, 4, 14. Now this next 4 sums is for you to practice. The same fingering and the same friends you will be recalling and practicing. Now same way we are going to see with the tens rod. So children, now again let's begin with the tens rod. For tens rod we are going to use our butterfly finger. Now it is 10. So with the first butterfly 10. Now 40. Can we add 40? No. So we are going to do with the help of small friends. So add your boss 50 and 40's friend is 10. So we are going to less 10. Now the question is less 30. Can you do less 30 over here? No. So 30's friend is 20. So less your boss 50, add your friend 20. And again children, it is 30. So we are going to follow the add order. The friends remain the same. So add your boss 50, less your friend 20. So our answer is now is 5050. Now come to the next one. Now it's a single digit first, it's 9. Now it is next is 8080. Now children, less 46. Now less 40 how can I do over here? By the small friend. So less your boss 50 and 40's friend is 10. So we are going to add 10. Now for the ones rod 6 is very easily we can do directly. We are going to less 6. Answer is now how much? 4343. Children, in the abacus class you need to know all the previous concept because you are going to carry forward all the previous concept and learn the new concept. Now next one, children, is 5757. Less 1 is directly. Now 1, 2, 12 also is directly. Now less 40. Can I less 40 in the tens rod? No. So what we are going to do? For less we have to say less your boss 50, add your friend 10 because 40's friend is 10. 2, 8, 28. I hope so you are getting with me. Now let's go to the fourth one. It's 6. So we are going to print 6. 40 we are going to push directly 40. Less 30 was directly, children, but 2. So 2's friend is 3. So less your boss 5, add your friend 3. So our answer is how much, children, now? 1, 4, 14. Now the last sums, children, just see, pay attention on my fingers also. and recall the friends and do. 3 with the thumbs up, 50 with the big butterfly. Now children, less 12, not possible. So less 50, 10's friend is 40. So I have done 40 with the 10's rod. Now what about 2? 2 also is directly, so we can less directly. So it is 4, 1, 41. One thing to remember children, in the small friend less order, we have added even the add order also, because you have to get connected with the previous videos also. When it is for add, you have to say add your boss and less your friend, and when it is less, you just have to say less your boss and add your friend. The friends remain same. Thank you.